Welcome to another edition of Mathematics Made Easy. Let's look at the question on the board. They asked us to find if 64 raised to power 12 is equal to 2 raised to power a minus 3. What is the value of a? They want us to find the value of a. In this case, what you do is to make sure that the two whole numbers bear the same number. That should be your first target. The two whole numbers across the sign of equality should be the same number. If they are the same number, which means their powers will also be equal to each other. So in this case now, you have to find how many 2 is in 64. How many 2 is in 64? You can go to your rock book, bring out 64, and divide by 2. 2 divided by 6 is 3. 2 divided by 4 is 2. 2 again. 2 divided by 3. 2 divided 3 is 1. Remember 1, put it here, 12. Divide 12 is 6. 2 can go more. 2 to 16 is 8. 2 can go. 2 to 8 is 4. 2 can go. 2 to 4 is 2. 2 can go. 2 to 2 is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which means 64 raised to the power 12 is equal to 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 raised to the power 6. 2 raised to the power 6, including 12. That's what it is. This is equal to this. So in this case now, what do you do? What you do now is you continue. Since we have found that how many 2 is in 64, we have to say that 64 raised to the power 12 being equal to 2 raised to the power a minus 3 is same thing as 2 raised to the power 6 into 12 is equal to 2 raised to the power a minus 3. Which means if this is equal to this, the powers are also equal. Therefore, what you do is this. Which means 6 times 12. 6 times 12 is what? That's what you find yourself. 6 times 2 is 12. Write 2. Carry 1. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 1. 7. Which means this 2 raised to the power. 2 raised to the power 72 is equal to 2 raised to the power a minus 3. Therefore, you can say that 72 is equal to a minus 3. If 72 is equal to a minus 3, which means a minus 3 is equal to 72. Therefore, you make a the subject of the formula. How do you make a the subject of the formula? A alone is equal to 72 minus 3. Crossing over the sign of equality will be plus 3. Which means A is equal to 72 plus 3, that is 75. A is equal to 75. On this note, we have to call it a day. If you have any comments, don't hesitate to put it down on the comment section. Any question is allowed. You can ask any question and I'm going to reply you. Please help me, encourage me by clicking on follow. Follow me on TikTok and subscribe me on YouTube. Just click on subscribe on your YouTube if you have not clicked before. And follow me on TikTok if you are not following me. And you always get updates of my tutorials. Thank you and God bless you.